Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character xin step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. xin new or Chinese family name xin surname. For example, 全新 all new, completely new. Now check this sentence. Could be the start of something new. Could be the start of something new. 可能是一个全新的开始。可能是一个全新的开始。开始。可能 could be 是一个全新的开始。Could be the start of something new. Could be the start of something new. 可能是一个全新的开始。My casual handwriting on the character xin. Xin new or surname xin 全新 all new. Could be the start of something new. 可能是一个全新的开始。Please comment any words or sentence with the character xin. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.